If you want to make sure CapCut on your Windows PC is running smoothly with all the latest features and fixes, updating the app is the way to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check for an update and safely install it, so your video editing experience stays top-notch and glitch-free. Let's jump right in. First up, let's get CapCut open on your computer. Go ahead and find CapCut in your Start menu or on your desktop, wherever you've got it installed, and launch it. If you've used CapCut before, this should look familiar, and if you haven't, don't worry. The opening process is just like any other Windows app. Starting with CapCut open ensures the app can check for its own updates properly, so don't skip this part. Now that CapCut's up and running, look for the menu. Typically, you'll find the menu icon near the top of the window. Sometimes it looks like 3 horizontal lines, or it might be labeled Menu. Take a moment to locate it and give it a click. Inside this menu, you'll see a handful of options. What you want is More. Clicking More is kind of like opening a drawer to find some extra settings that aren't right in front of you. So go ahead and select More. Then within that menu, look for the version option. You might need to scroll a little or look around for it. Different versions of CapCut sometimes place settings in slightly different spots, but version is usually easy to spot once you're in this section. Once you click Version, a pop-up window will appear. At this point, CapCut is ready to help you check for updates. This little window is like CapCut's way of saying, hey, let's see if there's something new for me. Look for a button that says Check for Updates or similar wording. Click on that and give it a few moments to do its thing. This part might take a couple of seconds, depending on your internet connection, so don't worry if it seems to hang for a bit. If there's an update available, you'll see an option to install it. Here, where things get exciting, look for the Update Now button in that pop-up window and click it. CapCut will start downloading and installing the update for you. Sometimes you might see a progress bar or spinning icon. Just let it do its thing. I recommend not editing any projects while it updates, just in case. Updating is important because it doesn't just give you shiny new features. It also helps fix bugs and keeps your workflow running smoothly. It's like making sure your kitchen has the newest gadgets and a fresh coat of paint before you start cooking up something creative. After the update process finishes, CapCut may prompt you to restart the app, or it may close and reopen automatically. If it asks, definitely accept. Once it's back up, you'll be working with the latest version, ready to take on your video projects with improved speed, tools, and stability. And that's all it takes to update CapCut on your Windows PC. Keeping your software current ensures you get the best possible experience, and it only takes a few minutes out of your day. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more guides on creative tools. If you ran into any issues, or if there's something about CapCut you'd like me to cover next, drop a comment below. I always check and try to help out. Thanks for watching and happy editing.